Okay, good morning, students. So, today we are going to start the next chapter, the fourth chapter of accountancy. Chapter's name is Retirement of a Partner. Okay, so 12 marks, one question, compulsory question there is. There is 6 marks question also. So, today's 6 marks problem we are going to solve. I will send you. Before that, little theory part, some 2-3 questions of 2 marks I will see. Okay, what is retirement of a partner? Retirement is what? Yes, retirement you have heard. When one person works for some years, then he retires when his retiring age comes. Okay, so for example, let's say A, B, and C were doing business. C retires. That means C is not there anymore. A and B will continue the business. Okay, so now in this chapter, 2 marks question, one question can be asked like this: state any 2 accounting aspects involved in retirement of a partner. Andre, state any 2 accounting aspects in the ಇನ್ವಾಲ್ಡ್ ಇನ್ ರಿಟೈರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಅ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ನರ್. ಅಂದರೆ ರಿಟೈರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಅ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ನರಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದು ಅಕೌಂಟಿಂಗ್ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ವಾಲ್ಡ್ ಇದೆ? ಓಕೆ, ಯೋರ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ ಲೈಕ್ ದಿಸ್: revaluation of assets and liabilities. ಅಂದರೆ ವೆನ್ ದೆರ್ ಇಸ್ ರಿಟೈರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಅ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ನರ್, there has to be revaluation of assets and liabilities. Similar when there is admission of a partner. ಓಕೆ, ಎಸೆಟ್ಸ್ ಮತ್ತು ಲಯಬಿಲಿಟೀಸನ್ನು ರಿವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಯೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡಲೇಬೇಕು. ಅಂದರೆ ಹೌ ಮಚ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಎಸೆಟ್ಸ್ ನಾವು, ಹೌ ಮಚ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಲಯಬಿಲಿಟೀಸ್ ನಾವು, ನಮ್ಮ ಬಿಲ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ, ನಮ್ಮ ಲ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ, ನಮ್ಮ ಫರ್ನಿಚರ್ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಇಸ್ ಟ್ರೀಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಗುಡ್ ವಿಲ್. ಗುಡ್ ವಿಲ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಟು ಬಿ ಟ್ರೀಟೆಡ್. ಗುಡ್ ವಿಲ್ ಮನಿ ಇಫ್ ದ ನ್ಯೂ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ನರ್ ಟೇಕ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಗೋಸ್, ಅವನಿಗೆ ಕೊಡಬೇಕಾ ಅದು. ಅದರ್ ದೆನ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಅದರ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಇಸ್ ದೇರ್, ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅಡ್ಜಸ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್, ಡಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಬ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಆಫ್ reserve fund, profit and loss account. We give a treatment in partners capital account by reserve fund. Our treatment kuda kodbeku. So these 2 points if you write is enough: revaluation of assets and liabilities and treatment of goodwill. ಸೊ ಕ್ವೆಶನ್ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಲ್ಲ. ಅಂದರೆ ರಿಟೈರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ನರ್ ಇಫ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದೇರ್, ಯಾವುದು ಅಕೌಂಟಿಂಗ್ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಟು ಬಿ ಡನ್? ಸೊ ಒನ್ ಇಸ್ ರಿವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಯೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಅಸೆಟ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಲಯಬಿಲಿಟೀಸ್, ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಇಸ್ ಟ್ರೀಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಗುಡ್ ವಿಲ್. ಓಕೆ, ಎಸ್. ನಾವು ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವೆಶನ್: new profit sharing ratio. In admission also we had done new profit sharing ratio. Yes, this is new profit sharing ratio in case of retirement of a partner. So a question will come: what is new profit sharing ratio in case of retirement of a partner? They will mention the word retirement of a partner. So the answer is, it is a ratio in which the remaining partners will share future profits after the retirement of any partner. Okay, the remaining partners will share future profits after the retirement of a partner. Okay, that means just imagine there are 3 partners, A, B and C. Okay, say C retires, C is not there, only A and B are there. So now one ratio will be done. For example, 2:1. So this is the ratio in which the remaining partners, that is A and B, will share their future profits. Say future profit was 1 crore. Example, okay. This 1 crore they will share in this 2:1 after the retirement of any partner. If this person will retire and go, A and B will share their future profits in one ratio. That ratio is called new profit sharing ratio. Okay, so C is gone. A, B, they have to continue the business, no? So when they have to continue the business, new one ratio they have to done so that future profits are distributed. ಅಂದರೆ ಒಂದು ಪರ್ಸನ್ ರಿಟೈರ್ ಆಗಿ ಹೋಗ್ತಾರಂದರೆ ಓಲ್ಡ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ನರ್ಸ್ ಇರ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ, ರಿಮೈನಿಂಗ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ನರ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ಈ ರಿಮೈನಿಂಗ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ನರ್ಸ್ ಫ್ಯೂಚರ್ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಲ್ಲ, ದೇ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಡು ಗೆಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್. ಸೊ ಆ ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟನ್ನು ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಒಂದು ರೇಷಿಯೋ ಇರ್ತದೆ. ಆ ರೇಷಿಯೋಗೆ ನ್ಯೂ ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ ಶೇರಿಂಗ್ ರೇಷಿಯೋ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೇವೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಓಕೆ. So what is the formula? Important 1 marks question. Give the formula for new profit sharing ratio in case of retirement of a partner. So you should write this. On this we are going to solve a problem also. New share is equal to old share plus share gained. Yes, new share calculate ಮಾಡಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, new profit sharing ratio. So old share plus share gained. I have solved the questions, okay? So old share ಮತ್ತು share gain, how much they have acquired due to one partner retires, that you have to add. So formula is, it's 1 marks question, this was 2 marks question. New share is equal to old share plus share gained. Okay, yes. Now next one, gaining ratio. What is this gain ratio? Okay, gain ratio comes only in retiring of a partner. When a partner retires, gain ratio is calculated. ಈಗ ಏನಿದು gain ratio? Okay, it is a ratio. See, it is also called as gaining ratio or gain ratio. Okay, what is gain ratio or gaining ratio? It is a ratio in which the continuing partners have acquired the share from the retiring partner. ಅಂದರೆ ಇಮ್ಯಾಜಿನ್, ಓಕೆ, ಎ ಬಿ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಸಿ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸಿ ರಿಟೈರ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ರಿಮೈನಿಂಗ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ನರ್ಸ್ ಯಾರು? ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಯಿಂಗ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ನರ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಎ ಮತ್ತು ಬಿ. ಸೊ ಎ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಬಿ ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ ಶೇರ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ದ ರಿಟೈರಿಂಗ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ನರ್. ಇವನು ರಿಟೈರ್ ಆಗಿ ಹೋಗ್ತಾನಲ್ಲ, ಇವನಿಂದ ಎ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಬಿಗೆ ದೇ ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ ಅ ಶೇರ್. It has to be divided in a ratio. That ratio is gain ratio. It is a ratio in which the continuing partners have acquired the share from the retiring partner. Okay? Retiring partner ಹೋಗ್ತಾನಲ್ಲ, ಅವ್ನು ಹೋಗುವಾಗ ಎ ಮತ್ತು ಬಿಗೆ ದೇ ವಿಲ್ ರಿಸೀವ್ ದ retiring partner's share. It has to be divided in the ratio. That ratio is gain ratio. What is the formula? Yes, share gained or share gained is equal to new share minus old share. ಹೊಸದೇನು ಸಿಕ್ಕಿದೆ? ನ್ಯೂ ಶೇರ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ದ ಓಲ್ಡ್ ಶೇರ್ ವಿಲ್ ಗಿವ್ ಯು ಶೇರ್ ಗೇನ್ಡ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಹೌ ಮಚ್ ಡಿಡ್ ದೇ ಗೆಟ್ ಶೇರ್ ಗೇನ್? ಹೌ ಮಚ್ ಡಿಡ್ ದೇ ಗೆಟ್? ವಾಟ್ ಓಲ್ಡ್ ದೇ ಹ್ಯಾಡ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ದ ನ್ಯೂ. ಸೊ ನ್ಯೂ ಶೇರ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಓಲ್ಡ್ ಶೇರ್, ವೆರಿ ವೆರಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್. ಗೇನ್ ರೇಷಿಯೋ ಮೇಲೆ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ವೆರಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್. Okay, so gain ratio is what? It is a ratio in which the continuing partners have acquired the share from the retiring partner. Okay, now last question, 1 mark again. Why gain ratio is required on retirement of a partner? Why gain ratio ಬೇಕು ರಿಟೈರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ನರ್ ಇದ್ದಾಗ? ಎಸ್, ಟು ರೈಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಆರ್ ಟು ಅಡ್ಜಸ್ಟ್ ರಿಟೈರಿಂಗ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ನರ್ ಶೇರ್ ಆಫ್ ಗುಡ್ ವಿಲ್ ಅಮಾಂಗ್ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಯಿಂಗ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ನರ್ಸ್. Write off ಅಂದರೆ to clear it, to give and settled it, and to adjust a retiring partner's share of goodwill. See, goodwill, when you do a business, goodwill will be created. Goodwill is an intangible asset. Okay, ಆ ಗುಡ್ವಿಲ್ ಶೇರನ್ನು ಅಡ್ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಆ ಅಡ್ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಗೇನ್ ರೇಷಿಯೋ ಇಸ್ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟೆಡ್. ಎಸ್, ಆ ಗುಡ್ವಿಲ್ ಶೇರ್ has to be adjusted of the retiring partners. So, gain ratio is calculated. So, this is a 1 mark question. So, to write off or to adjust retiring partner's share of goodwill among continuing partners. Last question. Difference between sacrifice ratio and gain ratio. Students, sacrifice ratio we had calculated in admission of a partner. And gain ratio will be calculated in retirement of a partner. So, differences bandaga 2 marks again 2 you have to write. So, first difference is this. Sacrifice ratio calculated at the time of, admission of a partner. Gain ratio is calculated at the time of retirement of a partner. This is 1 point. Ideru 1 point ಆಯಿತು. Second point, formula ಬರೀರಿ. Formula, you should write the formula, okay? I have just written formula. So, you should write sacrifice ratio, formula ಬರೀರಿ. Share sacrifice is equal to, old share minus new share. It is your homework. You should write. So, formula you will write, you should write here. Share sacrifice is equal to old share minus new share. Yes, sacrifice ratio, formula share sacrifice is equal to old share minus new share. Gain ratio formula is what? Yes, gain ratio, just now we saw. Gain ratio is equal to new share minus old share. Just now we saw now here, new share minus old share. Okay, these are the two differences. So far these are the 2 marks questions. Please go through, students. Okay.